Look at his tail.
They are so cute. Look at them.
I'm not worried. If we ever got them kids, loves her.
Oh, look at their tails. It's like windshield wipers. They are so cute.
No, I can tell, like, there's only 2 or 3 dogs out of the whole neighborhood that pure tanner dogs.
Yeah.
And there's another little one. The little dog sets him off like there's, but that's it. Otherwise, most dogs, especially Kirby wants to play with her.
Yeah.
They've known each other forever.
Oh, that's cute. That is cute.
Yeah, Kitty likes her.
That was so adorable.
Oh, I love this dog.
Wow, look how big Cardone is when you
For the
look.
most part, I'm noticing she's just,
When they were puppies, he was bigger, but man.
not that much bigger.
Yeah, not that big.
Yeah, no. He was 11 pounds when we got him.
Oh my
wow.
gosh.
Yeah,
Wow.
130 now. Much easier to deal with now.
So Puddy went from like 6 pounds to 28 pounds. That's what she's done.
Yeah, she's still small, but we love her, don't we?
Oh,
You're like awesome. Yeah, I'm awesome.
Yeah.
she sure loves you.
Oh my God, I'll take this dog anytime you need a babysitter.
Oh,
Yeah, I will.
she would love that.
You're a good girl. Have a good night, guys.
You too. How cute. They are so cute. And look, he doesn't even turn back. He's such a good boy. Look at her. Play with me again. Oh, that was
That's
so
how she begs for her to give her attention.
She can't resist.
Cute.
She's getting down like she's supposed to.
Yep.
It's so sweet. Oh, thanks for doing that. She's so happy. She's happy every night.
Buddy, was that your friends?